Scoop it like this. Look.
Okay, just teach me.
I know, look, you scoop. This is a fufu, okay?
Okay. You have to show them too, cause real Ghanaian.
When you're taking the fufu, make sure you take a piece like this. You take a piece like this, dip the soup in,
and slurp it up.
Yeah, and swallow it. You can't chew it.
What?
Swallow it.
I can't chew.
Yeah.
I have to just like I'm taking a shot.
Yeah.
Okay. What's poppin' Nova Nation? It's your girl KiCassanova and I'm back with another YouTube video. Now today, I'm doing something that, you know, everyone has been doing, but this one is different than everybody else's. You know why? Because mine is Ghanaian, not Nigerian. So I'm gonna be trying some Ghanaian chicken soup and fufu. And I'm actually pretty excited because I've been waiting to do this. Like, if you ask TK, I have TK with me, my Ghanaian friend that I met where? On Clubhouse. And she's also a YouTuber. I don't know why you're disappearing, but she's also a YouTuber, guys. So I'm gonna link her YouTube down below because shout out to her for her mom making this for me. And you know, we're just gonna do a mukbang. This is me trying fufu for the first time. Now, don't get at my braid up. Don't get at me.
I know you're nervous.
I'm not even nervous. Like, it smells good.
You're nervous though, you have to swallow it. When I told you swallowing it, you're like, fuck.
I'm amped. No, I'm actually posting I'm amped. Shout out TK.
Yo, you fucking kill me, bro. So when you're getting the fufu, don't dig in the middle. You gotta get from the side.
From the side?
Hey, that's how you're doing it?
How? You said from the side.
Yeah, use your fingers like this. Touch your fingers like this.
Like this?
Yeah, take them aside.
And like,
yeah, yeah.
like this?
That's a small piece.
Yeah, I want to try it first. But it's nice and spicy. And swallow it?
Swallow it, yeah.
This is good.
Take a bigger piece, man.
No, like, I want some chicken. Wait. Do I have to bite it? No, rip it too?
Rip it too.
Why?
Don't swallow the chicken. Make sure you chew the chicken.
Chew the chicken?
Swallow the food, chew the chicken.
How do I swallow and chew at the same time?
That's the gift.
Wait, I lost it.
You have to show my mom, man. This is hilarious, man. No way.
That's good. Thank you, Mom.
Yo.
I want to chew it though.
Try chewing it. I know, I used to chew when I was a kid, but it just tastes nasty when you chew it, man.
How?
I don't know. I don't even like
This is good.
I don't eat fufu. I'm not eating up front.
You don't eat it?
I don't like it.
I know, someone told me this will get me a fat ass.
Hey, well, still, the cornstarch and stuff? Yeah.
Bro, your mom has to teach me how to make it.
It's easy still. I can teach you how to make it. I just don't make it. Yeah, nah. I don't like chewing.
What does it taste like? It doesn't even taste like anything.
Tastes like what, dough and shit?
No. But this soup though?
Skirt you and turn the fufu around. Yo.
Bro, the soup, like, I'm trying to like, I think I need like a spoon.
Try to do the spoon, let me see.
Did I do it right? Am I doing it right? Or
You're doing it right still. You're doing it right still.
I'm doing it better than anyone you saw eat it for the first time?
Yeah, they use the spoon, I'm not gonna lie.
Ooh. Are you dumb? I'm using my hand today.
This girl's Ghanaian, bro.
Yep.
This girl's Ghanaian, bro.
No, this is fucking good.
Go finish it. Leave it. Throw it out now, Bob. You tried it.
What?
Huh?
Throw it out.
Oh, you finished? Yo, you're wildin'. You're gonna get tired. You're gonna be tired.
Why would I get tired?
You're too tired.
Why? Because I'm gonna be stuffed?
Yeah.
Do you know me?
Alright, go.
You think I'm gonna go to sleep?
You're gonna be tired as hell. It's gonna be heavy on you.
But I'm gonna get a fat ass.
You need a fat ass though. You can get a fat ass.
No, this is good.
You have to rate it at 1 to 10.
1 to 10?
Yeah, honest rate.
Like, okay, I'm thinking like, I'm imagining like coming home to this on the stove. On a scale of 1 to 10, like trying to grow up on this, I'm gonna say like a 7.
7, right? Yeah.
like a 7.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Honestly, it's because it's the soup. Like, the soup is good. You're okay.
You can drink the soup by itself too,
Bro,
or you can use rice with that.
I will tell your mom to make me some chicken soup. Cause,
you can do it.
whoa.
But like with me, with the chicken soup, I'd rather eat it with rice. I don't even eat it with it, to be honest.
How are you swallowing this?
It's hard, eh?
Yeah.
It's hard to swallow.
I can't do it. Don't.
I didn't mean it like that. That's what's crazy.
Oh.
It's actually. Like,
you know I'm dirty minded, so.
When I was younger, it was hard to swallow, so I chewed it.
Oh fuck. Nice gum.
This girl wants to ruin it. Eating well, you wanna come?
I just thought I'll finish after I'm done. Just call him. No, I'll call him. Watch this. Let me screen record this. No, because this is good.
Better.
No, because this is good.
Yeah.
This is good, baby. You're missing out. But yeah, I'm gonna come after I'm done eating this.
Yeah.
Yo, where's Hefe? Now you have to try Hefe's Fufu, man. Telling you?
I have to call Hefe.
Call Hefe, bro. Call Hefe with his what? What is it?
No, I need a spoon. Where's Hefe?
It is burping?
Yes?
Serious.
Hefe!
Foolish
Hefe!
guy.
Hefe!
Welcome, baby. What you saying?
Foolish guy.
I got my fufu.
Tell him.
That's what you ever doing?
I got my fufu. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
Wait a minute, you're on it.
I'm on it right now? Nice. Let me...
Hello, Nigerian.
Better come with the Nigerian one. That one, you know?
You're off. Boo, don't bring that Nigerian here.
Where's the Nigerian fufu?
I'll bring it to you just next week.
Yeah.
Boo.
Because now that I did thing, I have to do Nigerian.
Did you bring your rice too?
Do you see how she's consuming it? Serious, man. I even told her to stop eating. She's still going. That's how you know. Yeah, he's taking.
No, somebody, you know, she tried to tell me, she said, throw it out, fam.
Me, I told her it was done. You don't need to eat it no more. She's still going. She's gonna finish it. She can't finish Nigerian fufu, fam. You'll die. You'll die.
No. This thing's gonna be fire.
Alright.
No, this soup is fire.
Alright. This guy is. Don't try to laugh.
Bro, you're not supposed to chew it, bro. Just swallow it.
I told her that. She swallowed it.
I'm chewing chicken.
She swallowed the fufu though. Don't do that. Don't do that.
And I did swallow it. Pepper got in my throat. I did swallow it, Hefe.
That clears the sinuses.
But what happened? It's hard. I have to swallow it with little portions.
Yeah.
But then when I was taking little portions, TK was telling me, no, take bigger pieces.
When my dad takes like a chunk like this, swallows it all the time. Don't do that though, you'll die.
No, this is even big.
That's the smallest piece, fam. You have to take a bigger piece.
Oh, that's crazy. No,
Take a bigger piece. Ew!
It won't go down.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna try again. A little more soup.
Yo, she spit it out, fam.
I had to throw it back though. You see that?
Yeah, you do that too.
You have to do that too? You do
I
that?
do.
Do you throw it back?
For sure. Only on weekends though.
Okay, I gotta go. Your Nigerian self is just it's affecting the fufu. It's affecting the fufu and the chicken soup.
He's so distracted.
It's so distracting. But
I'm gonna bring you rice next week. I'm gonna bring you the rice next week.
Bro, go away. You're distracting us.
Yeah, you're really distracting us for real. Bye, Hefe.
Yo, this guy's actually gonna bring the Nigerian fufu, bro. You better say that's nasty. You have to say
What?
No.
I'm not saying Nigerian thing is nasty if it's not nasty. If it's really nasty.
If it's better than mine, I'm coming back harder. It's not over, fam. I'm gonna come with some gourmet meal. Don't play with me, bro. This was just.
So wait, I don't get it.
What?
So how come? I don't get it.
What you mean?
To swallow it is that like. That's a lot.
It's a lot still.
Like that's a
But
lot.
when you swallow it, that's when you get super full because you're not chewing it. It's just
sitting in your stomach.
Yeah, and then you get the belly. When you get the belly, and then it goes to your ass. When it goes to your ass, you're set good. Then you lose the belly. You know what I'm saying? Not done yet?
No. Are you bored?
No, bro.
I must be bored.
Can't fit. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't finish my fufu like that. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's just a soup. A soup is just.
The soup is like it's alright. It's not.
Don't say it's alright.
No, see, I'm saying it because I eat it. I used to eat it every day when I come home from school. Before I go outside, I have to eat fufu. Like, you know, so I'm tired. I'm like looking at it.
That is good. Are you crazy? Bro.
Is it super spicy too?
It's like the perfect amount of spice.
Yeah,
Like,
my mom doesn't really like spice like that too.
no, but it's spicy. But it's not like I have to stop eating it.
I'm not the only one. Yeah.
You're lazy. Like you're actually lazy.
See me? I'm gonna live in.
You're disgusting.
I'm gonna live in.
Better put a mouth on all that.
Bro, it tastes good. But how dare you tell me that?
Taste of this thing on your lip. I'm gonna punch you. Someone's grubbing.
Her mom's chicken soup is
Told you, bro.
good.
Listen, I don't really like fufu like that either. I'm telling you.
And why did nobody tell me you have to swallow it, not chew it?
Because kids will chew it so much.
No, but the swallow is hard. It's hard.
Yeah, it's a little tough on the throat.
It is. It's hard.
Throat baby, right? So you should,
I'm not a throw baby still. This taught me I'm not a throw baby. I like to eat it with the chicken.
yeah, you're big.
I like to eat. Say hi. They can see you. This is being screen recorded, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
I'm calling all my African friends.
No. Because I have to laugh. Mom!
Mom!
Not Kiara eating fufu and soup right now. She can't. Oh,
Look, Mom. Hi, Mom.
oh my god. It's like a good.
Hi, Sister Grace.
She's not well. She said hi, Sister Grace. Hello.
Yeah. Can you tell her? Can she make me jollof?
Yeah, that's good.
No, but so go back to the room. She's gonna say yes while I'm eating the fufu, you know?
Ah! Kiara thinks you make her jollof. She said okay.
Yeah, no, you have to remind her,
Next she's gonna tell me to ask a date. Watch.
Yo, tomorrow.
Tell me to ask a date.
Oh, you think it's easy?
You work 9 to 5, no problem.
Okay, next weekend.
Really eating it heavy, like what?
It's mad still.
It's good.
You're eating it proper
I
still.
don't know the last time I think I had fufu and soup. You're actually hands deep in it, like I'm weak right now.
What do you mean hands deep? I ate half of it.
Yeah, I know, like you're like, oh, you're such a loser.
She's enjoying it.
No, but it's actually good.
You need a Ghanaian last name now. It's serious.
What's a Ghanaian last name? Let me just take her Osei.
Oh, that's my middle name, bro.
That's your middle name?
Yeah, you can't take that, bro.
Oh, you guys have the same name?
And that name is so like,
What's her name? Ayuno? What is her name? The thing that you got on your Valentine's Day gift. What's your name? Your Wednesday name?
yeah.
Akuya?
Yeah.
You see that? You see that? Not gonna say hi. Like, you should have ate this with me. Kojo.
Yo. How was it? Oh my god, why are you going so hard though?
It's good. Look at it.
Mom.
You like it?
Yes. I love. Thank you. I love it.
Yeah, she's eating the fufu.
I love it.
Yeah?
I taught her how to eat it.
Why you have it?
She's Trini.
Trinidad.
She said you're pretty. She said
Oh, thank you. This is amazing.
She said anytime you need it.
Thank you. I will. I'm coming.
You and your boyfriend.
Yeah.
You have a boyfriend?
No, sadly, no.
How old are you? Why?
I don't like.
She broke up with her boyfriend.
Yeah. My boyfriend doesn't like me.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
You stop pretty much get one, okay?
Oh, thank you. I can't wait.
Alright, bye.
What's your name?
She should make fufu every day.
I'm ready. I'm trying to gain weight. Sorry, I'm trying to get thick. I'm trying to get thick.
Yeah. Alright, bye.
I fuck with your
You
mom.
have to make sure you're eating blessed. No cap.
Like, right? No, she said she'll make me fufu every day.
She really is still.
I know. Oh, finally, this day has come. Okay, I'm gonna take my last bite because I'm full.
Told you. Bro.
But I am full. But this was good.
I just want you to try the Nigerian fufu so you can beat. Like, you have to put it. Like, I want you to know which one is better for real.
Okay.
You have to know which one's good.
So if you guys made it this far in the video, comment down below which jollof you think is better. I mean jollof.
Fufu.
Fufu you think is better. Is it Nigerian or is it Ghanaian? Make your decision. Honestly, right now, I've only tried chicken soup and some fufu and this shit is good as fuck.
You just slurping it. You just slurping it.
It's good though, like
Slurping it.
it's actually good, like I don't care. And I feel like eating with my hands is even like it makes me enjoy it more.
You're not wrong still.
Exactly. Like me eating it with a fork would have been a dub. Like why would I do this?
Yeah.
You know?
I'm proud of you.
Now this is kind of weird though. Because now it's like when I do the Nigerian fufu, it's not in the soup.
Exactly. They put it on the side. Like, it's all good though. We're still gonna see.
We're gonna see. Oh, maybe I should wipe my mouth. Yo, do you want to take something in? That I just took in? I did that whole thing with no bev.
You gotta drink the water. And listen. What's wrong? What's wrong?
I went down the wrong tube.
Oh man.
Anyways, yeah, guys. You know what? I low-key think this is one of my littest videos I've done. Like, this is lit. I can't wait to post this. Tomorrow morning, in there.
Making your nose runny.
It was.
Yeah, that's it. That's
So, you know, everybody, shout out to TK for getting her mom to make this. Like,
Yes, sir.
see, I didn't want to go to a store. I did not want to go to a store. And I wanted to get, like, home-cooked food. So,
You feel me?
I got that real home-cooked meal. I'm actually amped. I'm amped for the Nigerian fufu, but
Hefe has nothing on me.
I don't know if anything could beat the chicken soup.
Hefe has nothing on me, man.
But I won't lie. Is it called igasu?
Igusi.
That the okra is that the right?
Okra.
I'm right?
Yeah, the cabbage and all that.
That looks good.
It tastes good.
It tastes good. Okay, so compare it to chicken soup.
No, I lie. Chicken soup is like the
Chicken
main,
soup. It's main.
Everybody likes chicken soup. It doesn't
Okay.
matter where it's from, you know. The goosey is more exotic, so you can, you know what I'm saying?
You're gonna get a different flavor.
Exactly. Chicken soup is better.
Okay. Well, you know, shout out to TK. So because shout out to her, again, y'all should click the link in the description box because she does have a YouTube channel down below.
Yeah, man.
And if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see so much more, let me know in the comments down below still. What else you guys want to see from me? And yeah, if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you didn't, go suck your bum that's go pussy mama. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.